Hello and welcome back to another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventure. We are on episode 48 of series 3 and we are on the Wirral Peninsula, and we're going to have a look at a really nice village and a really nice beach. Without further ado, let's get into the video and find out about Caldy in the Wirral. Now we're sort of heading now, carrying up into the Wirral, and we're going to a place called Caldy Beach. And Caldy's the area where all of the big houses are, so hopefully I can get a bit of drone footage and show you how the other half live. That's the plan. Let's go. At Caldy Beach now, and what a view. Anyway, we're going to put the drone up and we want to have a look at some of these big posh houses. Well, here we are, guys, at Caldy Beach, and let's just have a little look out. So you can see it's quite nice. It's a fair road stretch along there. There's reminiscence of old jetties and things like that in there. So, and you can see the boats over there moored up. Caldy is a small affluent village on the Wirral Peninsula, and it has such a beautiful beach I thought it was worth showing it to you. Historically, Caldy has been pronounced Calday, and the village dates back to 1086 in the Domesday Book, and it was owned by the Hugh of Mere, and it was called Calders back then. Now, Caldy Hill, which is nearby, is now owned by the National Trust, but many of the homes were built from that rich red Triassic sandstone. Caldy is home to many expensive houses, and an average property price in Caldy is $850,000. But one of the most expensive houses in Caldy for sale at the moment is $2,500,000. But it is home to many exclusive residents. So if you're one of these people who likes a nice secluded beach with not too many people on it, then Caldy Beach might be for you. So if you want to get to Caldy Beach, all you've got to do is drive down Croft Drive, and there's a little car park at the bottom, but it's just limited to 7 cars, so it's very, very exclusive. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this amazing look at one of these upmarket areas of the Wirral Peninsula, and hopefully you will like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Hey guys, a quick trip to the beach, and also a really good look at how the other half live, of all those expensive houses that are here. Who knows what celebrities live in these houses. Alright, bud? Who knows what celebrities live in these houses. Anyway, we're off to the next location now, and we're off to Kirby.